Hey guys, it's Grace. And this week's theme on 7 Wasserfine Girls is DIY. And I'm so sorry that I did not have time to make a video last week, so hopefully I make it up with this week's video. So for this DIY, I'm going to be once again making DIY slime. But this time it's going to be like an Easter slime. Let's get started. So for this DIY, you are going to need a medium-sized bowl, a bowl full of hot water, 1 bottle of Elmer's washable school glue, foaming hand soap, lotion, a 1/2 cup food coloring, a spoon to mix with, paper towels, and borax. So first you just want to get your bowl and your glue, and you just want to dump all the glue in your bowl. Then once most of the glue's out, get your glue and prop it up upside down so some of the glue will come to the bottom. If your glue becomes too stiff, you can put it more in. Next, you want to get 3 or 4 pumps of foaming hand soap, a couple squirts of lotion, and just mix that up. And once that is all mixed up, you're going to want to get your food coloring. So for this DIY, we're going to make green. So get yellow and blue. Put 1 drop of yellow. Next, you're going to put this bowl aside and get your bowl of hot water and your borax. Get your hand and get like a big pinch of borax and put it in the water and stir it up. And the reason you want the water to be hot is because the borax will dissolve faster. Get your slime bowl again, and little bits at a time, you want to get your 1/2 cup and get just a tiny bit of the borax and water and dump it in your bowl and mix really well. And if you add too much of the borax and water, it will be overactivated and it will not be stretchy. So thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and I'm pretty sure probably all of the girls in SWG are making DIY slime, and so am I, because I'm not to brag, but I think I'm pretty good at it. And just shout outs from 2 videos ago and last week's video go to well, see you guys next week. Bye!